Guys, the Mac Studio M5. Macs could be Apple's most powerful compact desktop, but how much of it is actually real? Today, we're verifying the latest leaks using trusted sources like Mac rumors and reports from Mark Gurman. Let's start with performance, because this is where the biggest upgrade is coming. Multiple reports confirm Apple is working on new Mac Studio models powered by the M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips, expected to launch in 2026. The M5 Max itself is already introduced in MacBook Pro, featuring a new Fusion architecture, combining multiple chip dies for better performance scaling. In terms of specs, leaks suggest up to an 18-core CPU and 40-core GPU, along with massive improvements in AI performance and graphics. So for creators, developers, and editors, this could be a huge jump in real-world performance. Now let's talk about memory and pro workflows. Reports indicate the Mac Studio M5 Max could support up to 128 gigabytes unified memory with extremely high bandwidth, making it ideal for tasks like 4K per 8K video editing, 3D rendering, and AI workloads. This is important because Apple is clearly pushing toward AI-heavy computing, and these specs suggest the Mac Studio will be built for next-generation workflows, not just traditional tasks. Next up, design. And here's the reality. Don't expect any major changes. According to Mac rumors, Apple is likely to keep the same compact aluminum box design, similar to current Mac Studio models. That means no redesign, but a continued focus on delivering extreme performance in a small form factor. Apple sees Mac Studio as the future of desktop computing, sitting between Mac Mini and Mac Pro. Now let's talk about storage and connectivity. Leaks suggest faster SSD speeds, improved memory bandwidth, and possibly Thunderbolt 5 support, which would significantly boost data transfer and external display performance. There are also hints that Apple could launch a new Studio display alongside it, with upgrades like mini LED and higher refresh rate, creating a full pro desktop ecosystem. Storage starting at 1 terabyte. Now, timing, when is it actually coming? According to multiple reports, including Bloomberg Insights, Apple is expected to launch the new Mac Studio sometime in mid-2026, possibly around summer or shortly after spring. However, timelines can shift depending on chip production and Apple's release strategy. Pricing is expected to stay similar to current models, starting around $1,999. But high-end configurations could go significantly higher depending on RAM and storage, and with increasing demand for AI memory. There are even reports suggesting pricing pressure on high-end configurations. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming video.